to be done once in a while. It gets steep from here, and I'm carrying 20 litres of water at the moment just to, well, where I'm going there's no water, but also to test how the bike is with it. The new nature hike outdoor tent kept me dry last night when it was really raining like cats and dogs. Got the cover on my bike. Always like to cover my bike these days to try and keep the water to a minimum. With maintenance, you want to keep your bike dry just to keep it running and rolling efficiently. Finish line ceramic wax chain lube. That's the stuff I'm using at the moment while I can afford it. I've got a Connex chain at the moment, stainless steel. Seems to be really good. I've got a new race face oval chain ring. I've got a new 1042 back cassette. So that's all running smooth at the moment. I've got the attachments for the extra wheel trailer on and the Robert axle project. Had to get them. Yes, got new front hub on at the moment. Dynamo 28 front hub on the front. Got new bearings back in the Hope Pro Fat Snow hub. And I've put the other front hub from the Hope Pro 4 on the extra wheel trailer, which I will show in a few more days when the parts arrive. These stickers were sent to me by fatbike.com. Probably only a week ago it would have been burning over there. It's very good we've had a lot of rain, so hopefully by now they should all just be about out. Okay, now we head up Estelle Spur and go check on my Wallaby friend and see she's okay. Sometimes it can be 6 months before I see her, but she still comes out and says hello. At my campsite here, I've had police officers turn up and ask if I was committing suicide. I've had shooters shoot bullets whiz past my head, and I've got my Wallaby friend. It feels like home. Blackberries aren't nice in your face though. This is my home, sweet home. A little bit flatter just around to the right. It's a nice spot to stop. Lots of blackberries to eat. Good to be at a nice warm campsite when it's not raining at the moment after last night. But the bush so needs the rain, and it's really good they've had rain. Really, really good. Okay. Lots and lots of blackberries to eat here. Look at this, the amount of blackberries you can eat. There's just everywhere. And they're yummy as. Expensive blackberries you buy in the supermarket. Not here. Millions of them. Yep, powering along. My little bio light too. Cooking my food. And at the same time, charging my devices. It's pretty cool. It's pretty simple to use, really. Might be a little bit complicated if it's raining, but no. At the moment, seems pretty good. The one on the right, the green, is the power, so it's fully charged. The middle one is the blue, that's the fan, and the red is the heat temperature of the stove. Okay, leaving this campsite, which I've been coming to for quite some time, as you can tell by my fireplace. Very good, well-designed fireplace. Especially when it's snowing here, which it does snow here sometimes, once or twice a year. Okay, so I camped. That's the food that the Wallaby ate last night. She comes up to my tent. She's my friend. She comes up just nice and close, basically saying, give me some food. Anyway, she ate 1.5 pink lady apples, a little bit of broccoli, and lots of oats and walnuts and all that, seeds and stuff like that, which should be nice and full now. So I may not see her again. I've been seeing her for 4 years, but not coming back to this campsite. So we head the open road and let the new journey begin. Seen quite a few deers here at times, and straight through there, on a good day you can see Mount Bogon. It's in cloud at the moment, but when there's snow on it, you can see it straight through there. 3 sources of power off the grid: the solar 60 watt, the sun dynamo, and the BioLite 2 stove. Will be my sources of energy for my green living, travelling without producing much CO2 at all. Lockhart's Gap Road. And back on the bitumen. Beautiful day. That's the rail trail bridge just up there, so I'll be back on the rail trail in about 4k. How it's rained in the last week. All that's green. Before that, that was dry as. It's Lake Hume. One of the old trains, still on the tracks. Nice view of Lake Hume. A little bit of shade. Yippee! It's quite warm, must be in the 30s. And humid. I don't know if you can tell, but directly ahead of me, there'll be cumulonimbus clouds gathering sort of in the main range, Kosciuszko, Corryong direction. That might come here, who knows. I guess we'll find out. Lake Hume. That's Lake Hume. Looks like a little bit of green algae starting to form. Blue-green algae maybe, along the edges there. That's not good. Been quite warm around here for that to be forming, and that's quite toxic. Oh, beautiful day, but better keep cruising. I'll go up to the boat ramp and then head back to the rail trail. Gotta watch your head on this bridge. And keep it relatively straight. If you have your head up there, you knock it on the top there. Let's go on the platform. This is a wetlands when it rains lots, or at floodway. As you can see, still need a bit more rain to get a flood here. Yeah, when I was doing work for the dole, we put all the fences up along here. Can you believe when I did work for the dole, they were making a start at 6 o'clock in the morning work for the dog, pretty ridiculous. All those fences we put up. But we had to be there at 6 in the morning. It's pretty stupid, really. By the way, I've sold my car, so I'm full-time on the bike now. The Mavic drone, DJI, and also the Galaxy Note 10 Plus or the Galaxy Note 20 Plus. Anyway, those two items, and then I'll be able to, it's all happening slowly, as it always does. Until next time, thanks for watching.